What's up and good afternoon, guys. Welcome back to another video. As you can probably see over my shoulder here, I'm not sure what all this wet stuff is coming out of the sky, but this ain't what I pay all these taxes for and have to deal with all the communist rules of the old great state of California for, but whatever. We got rain today, and I'm honestly glad that it started raining again. It kind of stopped earlier in the day because I talked to Dmax Barbecue, I talked to Wes, and I think we're going to be, well, Wes doesn't have his truck. He's got a rental car, so this is going to get exciting. We're going to take our trucks in the mud. Now, don't expect me to, like, mud bog this thing and bury it to the doors and do all that crap, because I do still want to take care of my truck. But I went and took some pictures the other day, literally like 5 feet off the road, and well, my truck ended up covered in mud by the time I drove off, and my tires hold so much mud that it just ended up flinging all over the place, and I ended up with the truck covered in mud anyway. So I figure, you know what, little bit of rain, let's go play a little bit. Oh, looks like Dmax Barbecue's already here in his new 1500.
That is nasty.
Dude, that mud sucks, huh?
Yeah.
Well, good thing we got mud terrain. So the one thing I hate about the mud where we're at, maybe you guys have similar mud, it's literally like clay, and it'll just coat your tires. I mean, you can see Dmax Barbecue's tires. You can't even see the tread on them anymore. Those are brand new Toyo MTs. They just coat them, and they basically turn your tires into slicks, and then they hold gravel. So when you go to drive off, you're slinging gravel and dirt and mud and all kinds of crap everywhere. At least you brought the right outfit.
I did.
I'm a little underdressed for the weather.
It's a little cold right now.
It was warmer earlier.
Are you in gym shorts?
No, I'm in shorts though.
Oh.
So Dmax Barbecue, literally, what'd you do? Just drive in and drive straight
Literally,
back out?
just that little
He drove
right
in and
there.
back straight back out, and look at his tires.
Got some racing slicks. I feel bad, man. You're in shorts and...
Yeah, you know, I was about to put pants on, and I was like, it's not that cold. It's raining, but it's not that cold.
But 2 days ago it was
Now
like
it's that cold.
95 here.
Yeah, now it's that cold. Oh, it looks like Wes showed up. Dang, sick rental. Yo, what'd you get, bro?
Got that 2019 Nissan Altima.
Dang. Whew.
You need the
Is
mom
that
truck.
four-wheel drive?
Front wheel drive.
That's the same thing, right?
Nah.
The reason Wes doesn't have his truck is because
I just dropped it off at the shop to get the supercharger installed and the dyno tuning done.
Don't lie, bro. You traded it in. You wanted something more economical, better for
Yeah,
California.
I'm getting married. I'm buying a house. I could have afforded to keep the truck, but you know, just smarter.
Hater. All he does is hate.
well, let's do it, boy. Let's see what this thing's got.
Let's see what this thing's got. Hold on, guys. Figure out how to open this code.
Oh, what do we got?
I like that sweatshirt, buddy.
You know, I thought about bringing my concrete boots. I should have.
Never know. We're gonna
Hey,
get
can
in.
you all appreciate that a financial advisor has these?
Yeah. I'm the guy over here looking like I've never worked out in the elements in one day in my life.
I'll make it through that.
Well, let's go.
Are you gonna take that or no?
Yeah, heck yeah.
No, you're not.
Yeah.
I think you should get a shot from that side.
Oh, you want me to go first?
Yeah, go for it.
All right.
Actually, you might make a big rut.
I can already see the comments. That ain't dang on no mud. Yay, yay. That thing's pretty impressive, dude.
Yeah, I told you.
We're gonna have to put this on the lift and wash the undercarriage.
I think it works better than my truck.
It might. Camera toss.
Is it on? Woo! Where should I go?
problem about the mud filling up your tires is when you're in two-wheel drive, this thing does not want to turn. Oh, we got Ryan. Ryan's about to come in. And yes, Wes just roosted in my cab over here. I guess we'll keep the windows up. Come on, buddy. Not sure what these guys are doing, but you can't even walk in this stuff. Look what it does to your tires. Like, it just becomes slicks. Luckily, it ain't too muddy right now. As long as it keeps raining actively, the mud doesn't stick as much as when it dries up.
Jeez, Bob, that's gonna be fun to clean off.
Yeah, she flings a little bit of mud.
Did it get a little wet and hairy out there?
You know, I just wish it would turn. That's all. We need some,
well, you're sliding.
Yeah, we need some razor tires on the front.
I learned it's just two-wheel drive and just hit it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Or you didn't when on the 6-speed when you put it down in manual too, it doesn't let it go down to first. But if you would have left it, I screwed up. I'm thinking in my truck the 8-speed. If you would have put it in drive, put it in 4 high and make the back tires touch the water like Ryan just did.
Oh, you got that.
Come on, Bubba.
You got that. Well, you guys can see just how dirty the truck got here from literally playing around for 2 seconds. I think this is for sure the dirtiest this truck's ever been. Now, my previous 2 trucks before this one, my Silverado, well, both Silverados before this, I actually did take them off in the mud a little bit. I don't go too crazy with it. I don't like to beat my stuff up, but YouTube wasn't that big. I think if you go way back on my Instagram, you'll see a couple of videos. This has definitely been the truck that I have babied the most, and for good reason. I got the most money into it, and yeah, parts are a lot more expensive on this truck than my previous 2 trucks to fix. So hopefully we didn't ruin anything, but we definitely got her a little dirty. All right, second attempt. Trying to tag the puddle. Yeah, you can see all the, this stuff's like concrete mix. All the gravel in here.
It's sticky as shit, though.
Yeah, look how much is built up on his boots. Fun stuff. Gotta love the dirt out here. Dmax Barbecue's truck fared decently better, being that he doesn't have a super far offset on his wheels. This is the stuff I worry about though. All these big old chunks of gravel that are now about to fly off the truck when we drive out of here. But I think I don't like seeing the truck like this, and it stopped raining unfortunately, so that mud's gonna start drying. Should probably wash it off before it dries. What's that to wash off the rental? Yeah, you don't even have to. Did you get full coverage?
I did.
Oh, you're good.
But I think I popped the tire.
Did you?
It was like, I heard like.
Uh-oh. Let's go inspect the rental. Who knew? Off-road machine. It was this one?
It was.
Well, you're missing your cap.
Yo, it was already missing. I made sure I took a picture of that.
Oh, look at my steps. This is literally the worst part about doing what we just did. And you're about to hear it all right now. Flying off the truck. You can see it flying out that way. Sounds like we're making microwave popcorn. Well, I'm happy to say we're back at the warehouse. I can now get the BBB clean. What's up, boys?
What's going on?
Hey, are you guys doing orders tonight?
Yeah.
Oh, so like we can rinse ours off first since you're gonna be here all night.
No, I don't want this shit to dry on my truck. Look, it's not that bad.
Don't look at the other side.
Woo! It
the
is.
other side.
It is
It's
pretty bad.
Pretty fucking bad.
Yeah.
Well, that's the biggest thing.
Now, to all the yee-yees out there that are gonna be like, oh man, that ain't no mud. I see more mud come out of my cousin when she had my baby. Listen, that's about as muddy as my truck's gonna get. All right, I didn't build that thing to go beat it up and just get it all muddy and tear everything up. Like, it's supposed to be a show truck. I like to keep my things nice. Now, if you want to compare stuff that real men should compare, we could compare credit scores.
So for my second time in the mud, like I know everybody's gonna talk shit.
You did great, buddy.
Thanks, buddy.
Listen, your truck didn't get stuck?
It didn't get stuck. We should do the Tahoe.
No, easy guy, easy. All right, let's see how long this takes. So, trust me, I enjoy going out and playing in the mud. Like, it's fun if I had a beater truck, but the cleaning part absolutely sucks. It's literally, I mean, there was mud, I just washed it off, but my fast fuel system was covered, my fuel tank, you can see my drive shaft is covered. I mean, to get in all the little nooks and crannies in the suspension, it's just a pain in the butt to clean these things. And I guarantee there's gonna be mud coming out of this thing for the next, like, who knows how many months. And especially if we ever pull any parts off this thing, I guarantee mud's just gonna come falling out because it just gets everywhere.
Oh, your feet are nasty.
Oh no, I'm checking. All right, there we go. Fuck. I got you, buddy. Thanks, pal. Well, I've been around my truck about 5 or 6 times trying to get all the mud off, and I think I got maybe a solid like 90% of it off, and I'm definitely going to be going back and washing this thing probably 2 or 3 more times, but I got to let these guys get the mud off their vehicles before it dries, because once it dries, it's just another animal to get off. And I'm pretty sure all the mud came off the truck and is on me at this point. Wes had the right outfit idea here. Well, Ryan and Wes left. As you can hear, the rain is picking up substantially. Am I the only person that sprays Chemical Guys wheel cleaner in the rain? Probably, but I'm on round 2 of washing my truck. I just can't let it sit this dirty. Even though it's raining, the mud ends up staining. You don't want it to dry, so I'd rather just get everything off now, and then once it stops raining, we'll give it another bath. I've also gone ahead and foam canned the truck. I'm just gonna let the foam sit on there, wash it off, and then tomorrow or whatever day it stops raining, I'll give this thing a full, complete detail and full wash. I've got soaked shoes from this river that has formed right here, and the rain is picking up a little bit more, so we're gonna go inside for a minute, let this foam just kind of sit. But you guys can see, this is why I don't take my stuff in the mud very often. We're on hour like 3.5 now of washing it in the pouring rain, and I can only imagine there's probably 3 or 4 hours at least more to get this thing back to like being completely clean, and I guarantee we're never gonna fully get the mud out of everything, but I get it, it is fun. I would just rather have a piece of junk truck to do it with versus something that I gotta clean back up and make nice. But with that, guys, we're gonna wrap up this video. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. If you have not subscribed already, please click the subscribe button now that you know I send out any future content. Don't forget to give this video a like, a thumbs up. Don't forget to check out workforapparel.com, because if there's anything you want in this life, you gotta be willing to work for it. You guys are the best. I'm out.
Damn. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.